everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 724 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm really excited to be trying out one of my January 2020 Boxycharm products, which I will have my video linked in the description down below of my unboxing of my Boxycharm box for January 2020. But so this is the MANNA KADAR Beauty Lip Whip. So this is a matte lip color, and I think that's so neat that it's a whipped formula. I'm really intrigued to see what that looks like. It says it has long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips, which sounds like something I would love because I have such dry lips and I love a long-lasting lip formula. This has a retail value of $21, and I got this in the shade Hope. That's a nice name. Okay, so let's check this out. Oh, I wasn't sure like what kind of applicator this was going to have, but it just has a small doe foot applicator. I mean, it looks just like a regular liquid lipstick formula. Let me go ahead and swatch it to start. The texture kind of reminds me of paint, so I'm not really getting that like whipped effect that I was picturing, but this looks like a beautiful color, great pigment. So I'm really excited to see how this is on the lips. But even just like dipping it in here, it seriously just feels like paint or like any other liquid lipstick. I'm like, am I doing this right? Is there something I'm supposed to do to whip it up? Didn't say so. This small applicator is great to get very precise. Like you don't even need a lip liner with it. Well, it dries down not super quickly, which is good. It gives you time to make sure your application is where you want it. And this is a beautiful color. I love that it gives you that red lipstick type of look, but in not such an intense, bright, bold red. I still feel like it looks very classy and pretty. So I'm really happy with this shade. But oh no, as I was talking, I noticed that my lips were kind of sticking together. And wow, this is so sticky. Usually like a sticky liquid lipstick formula doesn't really bother me, but this is seriously so sticky that as I'm talking, I can notice it and it feels so weird. I don't like that. Like that's really intensely sticky. Like that's not cute, but I'm gonna keep doing it. But it looks like very even, full, nice color. Let's see if there's any transfer. No transfer, so that's awesome. I love a transfer-proof lip product, but still sticky. I don't know about that. It's been such a long time since I've tried out a liquid lipstick that was sticky like this, and I don't think I'm a fan of that. Even though I'm a fan of how this looks, how it lasts, how it applies, I'm just not a fan of how it feels. So I'm gonna be honest with you and let you know about that, because there have been so many other liquid lipsticks that I've tried out which are just as beautiful, just as long-lasting and transfer-proof, that don't have this stickiness. I'm actually kind of surprised that they would make this formula so sticky. And I'm also bummed that this wasn't actually like whipped or moussey in any way. It was actually a very watery texture. But I think that would be such a fun lipstick formula if it really was like a moussey, whipped type of lipstick that would be like really easy to apply. So maybe that exists. If you know of one, I would love to hear about it in the comments down below because that's definitely something I want to try. So not too happy with this. I'm glad I got other products in my Boxycharm box that I am happy with, because I'm stuck with this because I can't return it or anything like that. I did get it for a good deal since my Boxycharm box was $25, but I don't think that this is a product that I will probably even wear again, let alone purchase. So I'm really bummed. I was so excited about this, but that is the risk that you take with these beauty subscription boxes. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.